everyone, and season's greetings at this time of the year. You may not be watching it at Christmas, I appreciate, but even so, any time of the year when you're going on holiday, it might be good to set an out of office reply. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First thing you do is click File. I'm not going to show you me doing that, because you'll see all my emails. And then once you get there, you can see this button saying Automatic Replies. So let's click that. And now you've got two options, inside my organisation and outside. So I'm going to set outside my organisation. I'm going to only send during this time range. And we are here until the 24th, but I'm going to set it for the 23rd. I will be replying to emails on the 24th, but I don't want everybody to be really harassing me. And I'm going to go to the 5th. Yep, that would be alright. And then you just need to leave yourself a message. So our whole office is closing down. I'm just going to leave it like that, and then inside I'll change. I'm not out of this family anymore. Yeah, I'll just leave it like that, so if anyone needs me they can call me. I'm not going to be in the office, but if they could persuade me for something very urgent that I could need to do it. So this will go to anyone with a Square Balloon email address, which is our domain name, and this one will go for anyone without a Square Balloon email address. So all the clients will receive this email, and all of the actual employees or colleagues, they will receive the other email telling them that actually they can call me. Clients, if you're watching this, don't call me please, thank you. But yeah, that's as easy as that. I'll hit OK, and now I don't have to remember to do anything. As soon as that date comes, it will start sending that out of office reply to my customers, and they will understand that I'm not here for the 3 days in between Christmas and New Year's. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment if you've got any questions. Subscribe if you like the content, or if you want different content or better content or more content, just leave a comment and we'll try and facilitate that. Thanks for watching.